at that thing go.
I love it.
This is
The biggest show.
Did you get a big box today?
Yeah.
What's in here?
My truck.
That's right. Got a big monster truck, dude? This is the ARMA EXB for Extreme Bash, Italian. Well, look at that. How fast does that go, Jace? 70 miles an hour plus? Okay, let's go.
That's super fast.
You want to help me lift it up?
That's even faster when we're driving on the real road.
Put your hands in there. Okay, let's do it this way.
Oh,
Do it this way.
is it heavy? No? You're doing great. Are you excited about it, Big Jace?
There you go, Jace.
Wow.
There it is.
Look at that.
Wow, look at that.
Jace, the box is bigger than you. Want to have Daddy open it?
Look at all the parts on the back, Jace.
Nice.
Look at that, Jace. That's beautiful, right? What's this, Jace? For these manual? Okay. Put this in some tools. Okay. Let's go, Jace. Here we go. Help me, Jace. There we go.
What color is the truck, Jace? Black.
Right, Jace. Wow, look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Very
That's
big.
called, again, the Italian EXB for Extreme Bash. What it is, Jace? Are these the tires? Are these the tires? Say tires, Jace. Right.
How many tires do you see? Good job.
And what's this, Jace? What's inside the tire? Is that the wheel? How many wheels do you see? That's right.
4 wheels and 4 tires. Good job.
And look at this, Jace. What's this? This is a front bumper. Look at that. Say front bumper. That's right. Look back here, Jace. We got the wing, Jace. Say the wing. Wing, that's right. No, push harder. There you go. Look at all that suspension, Jace. Look at... How many shocks do you see back here?
1, 2.
That's right. And what about this? These are the arms, Jace. How many arms do you see back here? That's right. And then we won't go into all the details here, but these are the axles inside there. Okay. What about in the front? How many shocks? How many shocks? 1. 1 shock and 2 shocks. That's right. Okay. You ready to open up?
Yeah. That's nice.
What do you have there, Jace?
Remote.
Remote control car? Show us where the remote. That's right. What color is your remote?
Black.
Black. Very good. What about your car? What color is your car? Green. Show us.
Dark green. Dark green.
Wow.
Dark green.
Dark green.
How about wheels?
How many wheels?
1, 2,
4
It's
wheels.
bouncy wheels.
Yeah, it's squishy wheels. It's a
Yeah.
soft wheels.
What the
What do you
ram?
call this part of the truck?
No, I see one more ram. A down ram.
You see the ram? Where's the ram? Show us the ram. Show us.
A down ram.
Let's go see the ram.
A down ram.
Ooh,
What's it?
these are called the cool rams.
Two ram.
Yes. You're standing on the bench. That's a wood bench. Yeah.
That's a ram.
Look, come see this ram. Right here. This looks a very nice ram. Whoa. Wow, look at how fast you go. Do it again. Whee! Nice job. Yay! Good job, Big Jace. What's that? That's a bumper for the car to go over.
Papa.
Yes. Are you ready to drive?
Big bomb.
Big bumper. It was yellow color.
Big bumper.
Yes. Nice job, Jace. Yay. It's not bumping? Whoa. Yay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, you okay?
Batteries came out.
Oh no, we have to fix it.
Oh, that's an easy fix.
The remote control car needs a battery. Daddy, can you help fix it, please? Jace, can you give it to Daddy? Yeah, Daddy will fix it for you. This is how we put the battery into the remote control. The battery has the plus and the minus. I'm gonna put it to the right place. One, two. There you go.
RC, so it should go over the big hills.
It is. Look at that. Look, it's going up, Big Jace.
Oh, but see, there's a little bump in the road.
You got this. No, you don't like that one? You gonna change?
There's not enough ramp there, Jace.
How about this big one right here? Uh-oh! Yay! That's so funny. Uh-oh. You okay?
Abracadabra.
That's another cool ram, isn't it? on, you can do it. You can do this. The ramp is too steep.
Slippery surface.
Look at you. So focus on this. Whoa, come on, big ramp.
Ooh, big Jace. There's a pesky bump at the top, Jace.
Whoa, look at that thing goes.
I love it.
Fast, man, all the way. Good job, Jace. Come back.
Wow. Did it flip, Big Jim? Right, this way. Nice. Look at this. Look at the color of the floor. What color is it, Jace? Is it blue? Which way do we go? You want to go this way? Get on the step. Wow. What is it? Oh, yes, there's a bridge. Guys, what color is the bridge? What about the railing of the bridge? It's green. Oh, here's come your car. Nice.
I love it.
Playground, playground. It's bouncy, yes?
Go down.
I'm coming. You are very high up, yes. Oh, that's so cool. Do it again.
Wow.
Who's going first? Are you going first or the car go first? Can I? Nice! Yay! Now it's your turn to come down the slide. Whee! Good job! What color is your slide? That's right! Wait a minute, Jace. Your shirts and your pants are blue too.
Yeah.
Yeah, but your shoes are not. What colors is your shoes? Green! What about your car? What color is your car?
Wow. What's that?
What's that? Wanna come down? You don't need your car anymore?
No.
Okay, I'll take it. Out the step? Coming down the ladder? That looks so much fun, Big Jace. Wow! Coming down the green spiral? Yeah? You coming down? You got this. Yay! Yay! Whoa! Nice. Whoopsie! Uh-oh.
Whoa. It's done.
It's jump, yes.
It's done on your rim.
Oh! Nice. You're not ready? Wow. Good job. Yeah, ready? Let's see you do. Nice.
Oh, nice, Jace.
Good job.
This is
The biggest show.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out more videos of The Big Jace Show. Bye. See you next time.